Why communication matters in remote tech roles.
Remote tech professionals rely on clear communication to collaborate, solve problems, and meet project goals across distances. Without in-person cues, misunderstandings can happen quickly. Mastering communication is essential for productivity, teamwork, and professional success while working remotely.
Clarity and conciseness in written communication.
In remote tech work, most communication happens through emails, chat, or project management tools. Clear and concise writing prevents confusion and reduces back and forth. Focus on organizing your thoughts, using simple language, and highlighting key points so your messages are easy to understand and act upon.
Active listening and responsiveness.
Active listening means fully understanding a message before responding. For remote teams, this skill is vital in meetings and written exchanges. Being attentive, asking clarifying questions, and acknowledging others' input shows respect and fosters trust. Prompt, thoughtful responses keep projects running smoothly.
Adapting tone and style for diverse audiences.
Remote teams often include people from different cultures and time zones. Adapting your tone and communication style helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures everyone feels included. Be professional, polite, and considerate, whether you're providing feedback, discussing issues, or celebrating successes.
Effective use of collaboration tools.
Successful remote tech professionals are skilled at using digital collaboration tools like Slack, Zoom, and project trackers. Knowing when and how to use each tool, whether it's for quick updates, detailed discussions, or video meetings, boosts efficiency and helps everyone stay informed and engaged.
Giving and receiving constructive feedback.
Constructive feedback is crucial for growth and improvement in remote tech work. Share feedback in a clear, respectful, and actionable way, and be open to receiving it yourself. A feedback-friendly culture enhances learning, problem-solving, and the overall performance of remote teams.